Hello everyone. So about a month ago I bought a new desk and it still hasn't arrived yet. So yes, with that being said, I'm gonna start decluttering all my items because the desk that I bought has minimal space. And so yes, I have a lot of items like in the drawers and then this back drawer right here. So my name is Elizabeth and the types of videos I normally film are vlogs. I haven't looked at these drawers in a long time. The only one I look at is like the top one because it has my pencils. So I have this right here where I have, oh, there's my lead pencil. I put it here and I forgot and I couldn't find it. So yeah, I want to add more stuff in here and throw away some stuff. So yes, let's begin. Okay, so here's a quick overview of how my desk looks. I don't think I'm gonna throw away anything here because I already did that. Like, I don't know if you saw a couple of vlogs ago or the previous vlog, I did throw away a few stuff. If not, I'll link it below. But yes, I'm gonna remove the stuff here, stuff here. I'm just gonna put it all here. Let's see how that works. Okay, so before I move to the next one right here that's in the back, the next drawers, I wanted to show you a few things that I found. And like, I found my Powerpuff Girls. I remember, like, what is this called? Print decorations. Yeah, print decorations where you just hang them on the wall or something like that. No, yeah, where you hang them on the wall, and that's so cool. I'm not gonna throw this away. It's so cool. I love it. I forgot I had this. Also, I have my, like, this so random lanyard, and this so random lanyard. A lot of them signed it. That's so cool. That's nice. Good memories. It's when I went to like not the screening, like when they were filming a scene and I was like part of the people who laughed in the background. They gave us this. That's so cool. I love that. I'm like getting distracted because I'm like, oh, this is cool. Oh, this is cool. But like I need to focus. Okay, let's keep going. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this one here. It's all candles. I don't know if you can see, but I'm like sweating right now. It's hot. I turned on the fan and I opened my window and I put my hair up. So yes, I have a lot of stuff. I somehow made it fit to all these small compartments. But yes, I don't know if I mentioned this in the previous clip, but the new desk only has 2 drawers and then this one has 3. So yeah, I'm gonna try to like make it smaller, make it like throw away a lot of stuff. Hopefully it'll fit. If not, well, that sucks, but that is the goal right now. So this is one section right here. Yep, I have a lot of stuff right here and over there. On camera it doesn't look too bad, but it's a lot for me. Maybe if I zoom it. Does that look like a lot? I don't know. I was gonna start, but then I saw this and I was like, this is a lot. I don't know where to start. Okay. Choose one. Blick preferred card. I think I need it, right? Would I ever go to Blick Art Materials? No. I'll just go to Marshall's or Michael's, honestly. I know Blick has more items, but if so, most likely it won't bring this because I would forget, you know? Okay, off to a good start. And if you don't know, basically Blick is a place that sells art materials. Okay, next items. Okay, so these cute erasers, I got them a long time ago. I don't care for them. I'm just gonna give it to my nephew. He likes to play with these. It's so cute. So I'm just gonna set up here. And then these erasers, I'm not gonna use it at all because I use these erasers, honestly, the ones that come with the lead pencils. Yeah, I don't know. Right there for right now? I don't know. These scissors I use. I have a lot of cleaning cloth. Just gonna remove these. Alright, so I'm gonna set it here. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna set it right there. Yeah, this cute happy bunny. Look at this. I know how you feel, I just don't care. So rude. When my desk arrives, I don't know if any of this is gonna fit. Like, oh, and I thought like maybe throwing away a few things. I haven't thrown away anything because I don't like it when stuff is empty. Like here, I'll show you what I mean. There's basically a little bit room here, because I just keep adding and adding and adding because I do not like it when it's empty. So yes, like I'm just gonna add these two. But yeah, my bowl, well, let's see, if it fits, then it's gonna keep. So if it doesn't fit, like some of this is gonna be thrown away, except this. I actually need that. But yes, this is also important. So yes, I still have all this. It's when I see this, I get overwhelmed. But yes, so just slowly but surely, I'm gonna keep going. Okay, I am done organizing. So here's the first one. Very messy, I know. When I do change to my new desk, hopefully I'll be able to get rid of more items. But until then, this is it. The second drawer. It's a lot more organized, but still a lot of items. Yep. And then here, yeah, it's still a lot of items. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay, so I just finished putting the stuff back. Oh no! Ah! I got this at TJ Maxx, that's why it's a little wonky. So you can see a little bit of the background. I still need a little bit of cleaning up to do. But yes, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone!